Hi guys, today I'm back with another luxury video, and this one is for Dossier perfumes. I'm sure you all have seen this company advertising all over social media, and I'm here today to tell you guys that they are legit. So I picked two fragrances from their collection. What Dossier does, they are a company that they're taking all of these high-end perfumes and colognes and they're making it for fraction of the cost, keeping the same great quality and scent that we know from the regular perfume and colognes, and they're bringing that to you for a fraction of the cost. Now, I had a chance to smell these and compare it to two that I already own. I made sure and got two that I knew that I can compare to the originals. So guys, what did I get? I got the Ambery Saffron. This one replicates the Baccarat Rouge 540. If you guys know about that, it is quite expensive. It's between $500 and $600, and you can get the exact same replica for $39 on Dossier's website. The other scent that I got is the Floral Pink Pepper, which replicates the Miss Sherry Dior from 2017. If you guys know that scent, it is one of the most sexy scents. These two together are very sexy scents. I have both of them, and I chose these because I wanted to make sure I knew what the original smells like, and I wanted to make sure that these, the replicas, smell exactly like the original. And I have to say, by far, this has blown me away. I really like it. I have to tell you guys that I'm not kidding here when I say, if you know the Baccarat perfume, when you put this on, you can smell it for up to a week. The scent lingers on you, it stays on you. It's one of the very best high-end perfumes on the market. So go to their website, order today, use the coupon 10natasha to get 10% off. If you order 3 or more in one order, you're going to get an additional discount. And if you don't see a fragrance on their website that you would like them to list, send them an email and they will list it. They'll try their best to add it to their lineup. So I'm really happy that I found this company, and I'm definitely going to be ordering me some more of these. Stay tuned, because when I get them, I'll share them with you guys. So I hope you guys go check them out. Really great, amazing stuff. And let me just spritz it so you guys can see also. You see that? My husband, I did not tell him what fragrance they were. I told him, I said, babe, can you smell this? Smell them. Tell me, what do you think they smell like? And he nailed it on the head. He got the Baccarat Rouge and he got the Miss Sherry Dior. He knew the scents because we have it. So guys, go check them out. Let me know what you think. And if you already support Dossier and you have any from their collection, comment down below and let everyone know what you think. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Don't forget, I'll link my coupon also in the description box, so you can click on that direct link and it will automatically apply the discount to your cart. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.